Isn't that what that guy said in Pokemon Puzzle League?
No, red hot and ready, yeah. Dang it, he totally stole. Ah!
You recording?
Yeah, it is. Alright.
Well, what are you laughing at? He was killed, but...
Like usual?
Ouch.
Okay, Matthew, come around there.
Yeah, they're gonna be behind us.
Okay.
You don't think they already ran?
Let's take Hill 41 first. Okay, I'll cover you. Up there and make sure they don't come around behind us. But if we make contact up there, we'll call you back. You see him anywhere? Oh, jeez. Down below. Oh, I'm feeling that pizza.
Do you think Harley will be going around? Nope, he's back.
Let's get out of here.
Shoot. Was I hit?
I didn't see anything. Okay, let's have you people back.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, hit! I'm hit. I'm hit.
Oh, shoot, hit! Where are you? Oh, there you are. Do you have a dead rag?
Yeah.
Stay down. Just wrap it around my arm. There, it's good.
Nope. Coleman's like right in front of me.
Alright, I'm watching Joe over here. Joe's over here, I'll watch him. Matthew, you get up.
Hit!
Coleman's like right in front of me.
Why am I holding your gun?
Because I need to reload.
That hurt. Whose gun is that?
Coleman's.
Oh, frick! Out!
That's not how to find headshot back. Are you dead, Christopher?
Nope.
I use the IP5.
Oh, frick! Out! I hit you! Yeah.
Coleman's gun.
Ah, hit! Hit!
He's out! Yeah, dead. Are you all dead? Yeah. Back out.
Oh, retarded.
The battery's done.
Darn it. Keep it on semi then. I don't even think we're gonna last the game. What are they saying? I say we run it. We gotta take kill 41. Do you have a pistol handy? Okay. I'll take point. Go, go, go. Okay, moving.
Guys, it's clear at the inside.
Towards left, down in the valley. It's a trial. I think I lost a mag.
Hit! Tied around my ankle. Duck down. Lower, lower, lower. I said lay in the pit, but okay.
You just tied on a shoe.
Alright, move. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah!
You okay?
Reloading.
Okay.
No.
One of you moving to the right.
Should we just do a meet and greet?
I'll take care of him.
Christopher, get the front. That's where most people are.
I'm gonna go down there. Should I go around?
Jump, jump. If you can get him, go for it. I don't think we're winning this one.
Dude, I'm going. Ah. Ah. Oh. Oh. Ah. Sorry, man. I couldn't go run in with you.
Dude, that's fine. Oh my god.
I was up to my knees in mud.
It lit up like a freaking Christmas tree.
I know, I saw you run in. I'm like, what the crap?
It's retarded. Like, is my AK just not working or something?
I don't know. I'm on my last mags.
Same. Well, this has gone to hell.
You know what?
Let's end it with a bang.
Alright.
Before the recharge stuff. I think it's only... Okay, well now it's a bunch of them left.
I killed all of them. Alright.
Got most of them. Okay, so you'll take points.
Heck yeah, I will.
Okay.
Hell.
See if that works.
This is gonna hurt.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh. Hit! Oh. Out! You dead?
Out! Got me. You dead?
I need to reload all my mags.
Dude, you got me in every single soft spot that exists on the human body, except for the balls. And the ears.
Yeah!
Everyone down here is dead.
Joe killed me. Shot me in the back. Like 5 times. That's alright. You should have seen what I did to Coleman. Coleman went up to there. I saw him and I just went right up his back.
I don't know how, but you got me in the inside of the armpit.
That must have hurt.
You got me in the... It hurts so much.
We're gonna shoot you.
Yeah, sorry about that, Austin.
That's fine.
Uh-huh.